beep. And I don't know who you are or what you want, but I will find you.
And I will kill you.
Hey vlog. So we have decided to come to the taste today. Hello. Monty's kind of dead. But this is number what on the bucket list?
Huh?
What on the bucket list?
4.
Oh, Pale Agenda. Sorry.
4.
This is number 4. And so Ananya is also with us, but she's kind of with her family, and I don't think we can flip this. So we're gonna shoot the next clip and get a picture of her. Oh my god, guys, do you see Ananya with her family? Can you zoom? Oh my god, look, it's Ananya. And Marcy. And Lizzie. Okay. We will get back when her food is here. Oh my god, Ananya has returned and she has a nasty face on. For what? I don't know. Oh, she's going away.
Montage that makes it look like we're in Japan or Korea.
Korea, baby.
Look, they're reunion. And now Zeus left. He got bored. Wait, come here. Focus on me. Focus it on me. I mean, 안녕하세요.
Racism.
안녕하세요.
President.
안녕하세요. 내 이름은 완승입니다.
Oh my god. Update vlog.
Guys, we're never going back to the team.
Never.
Never.
She's spicy queen.
I feel like throwing up. Like, we're all
And there's so much spice in my mouth. I have to eat 100 grapes before I go away. Lizzie, bye. Jessica, bye. And the other two, I'm never there to begin with.
Turn it around like this.
Yeah, good one. Let's see when we can get on this. Stop, this is like pausing.
What?
You click this, it pauses it. No, that takes a picture. Are you stupid?
Oh yeah, it does.
Okay.